Okay, guys, we're on week 14, day 2. Okay, so we're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. This is a starred question. So we're going to do 454 times 33. We're starting with this 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 4 is 12, plus our 1, so that is going to be 13. This is not a 3, it is a 30, so we're going ahead and drop in this 0. We're doing the same thing. 3 times 4 is 12, so we're carrying a 1 and putting our 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus the 1 is 16, so I'm carrying my 1, putting my 6. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. All right, so we have 2, 8, 9, 4, 1. 14,982. Okay, next we have 6 and 1/3. Before we can multiply these, we have to make this 6 a fraction. So that's going to be 6 over 1. That makes it an improper fraction, and it does equal 6. So now we can multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. That is improper. How many groups of 3 are in 6? There are 2. Just think about it. So if I have 6 circles, I have 2 groups of 3. Here's a group of 3. And here's a group of 3. So the answer is 2. So is our answer is it greater than or less than 6? Well, it's less than 6. Why? Because we put it into, we put the 6 into groups. Starred. So you will see this on the test. Okay? All right, next we have 96 times 70 hundredths. Well, this one must be pretty important. We just had a whole number of times a fraction, so you'll probably see this again, something similar. So we're going to take our decimal out like we did a while ago. So we have 96 times 70. All right? 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. We're at 70, so we're dropping that 0. 7 times 6 is 42, so we're carrying our 4. We're putting our 2 here, 42. And 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4 is 67. So add them up, 0, 2, 7, 6. Go back to your problem. Remember, there were 2 places. It was decimal 70. That was 2 places, 1, 2, behind the decimal. So 1, 2. So it's 67 and 20 hundredths. Next, we're multiplying by a power of 10. Remember, if we're multiplying by a power of 10, the number gets bigger. So as a decimal, so instead of just adding zeros, we've got to move our decimal as well 4 times to the right because it's getting bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what goes in those empty spots? Zeros. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 89,000. Okay. All right. That's it for day 2.